What's up, Fearless fam? Coach Allie here. Today we're talking about chair push-ups. This is a good progression from wall push-ups, or if you just wanted to push out some extra reps after doing full push-up. This movement strengthens your chest, your shoulders, and your triceps, and it's a great starting position so that you can get to a place where you do a full push-up. So this one, it requires a chair, or at least something about chair height, and you want to make sure it's something that won't slide when you're doing the movement. When you do this one, you're going to start with your palms on the edge of the chair. If you need to, grab a towel, a mat, or something so it doesn't hurt when you press into the chair. You're going to do this about shoulder width apart, and you're going to bring your feet all the way out, and the edge of the chair when you're at the bottom of the movement should come about chest height. Now, when you do this, make sure your body is a straight line, meaning your head, your back, your hips, and your legs are completely diagonal at the beginning and the end. Let's get started on how to do the movement. You're essentially starting in a high plank position, meaning your arms are completely straight. Just like everything else, you're going to brace your core, breathing in, and you're going to bring your chest down to the bar. You do that by bending those elbows. Keep your elbows close to your body, so not flared out. You'll notice that way your hands are in the wrong position. Another thing worth mentioning is all your fingers, including your thumb, should be placed forward. When you push up, you're pressing through your palms. If you focus on pushing through your hands and not necessarily getting your body up, it should happen more naturally and help you avoid having improper posture. When you do it, you're keeping your gaze straight forward. You'll find in a lot of movement, your head, neck, and eye position is really important. When you do it, make sure you're staying engaged. That means not only bracing your stomach area, you're also squeezing your glutes. What a lot of people don't realize is your core is more than just your stomach. It is your lower back, it's your stomach, and it's also your butt. So squeeze those booty cheeks as you do it. Let's talk about breathing here. You're going to breathe in and brace your core at the top of the movement, and then exhale as you're pushing up. Keeping a straight line the entire time. That means your hips don't fall forward, your hips aren't pressed up. Every push-up builds power, confidence, and control. Take your time. It's one step closer to a full push-up. Just stay consistent, keep practicing it until you get it perfect before moving on to more advanced.